Gentlemen, you are welcome to Stoic League. Today, we are gonna unravel some of the manly truths on why you should embrace your hardships in order to be a high-value man you seek to become. As a man, you will experience several types of pain and obstacles in life, some of which may leave physical or psychological scars on you. These scars, both visible and invisible, have the potential to shape you into a stronger and more resilient individual. You may become a stronger, more resilient person as a result of these scars. Although pain in and of itself is undesirable, but it is crucial for a man's development. A guy must endure hardship in order to get mature. Before we dive into the lesson, make sure you don't skip the video and have subscribed to the channel, as this video is of utmost importance. And consider liking the video in order to trigger the algorithm. Let's get down to the business. So here are some of the solid reasons why you should fall in love with pain in order to unleash the best possible version of you in this life as a man. Number 1, resilience and strength. Suffering has a way of pushing you past your comfort zone and putting your limits to the test. It places you in challenging circumstances where you must find the inner courage to persevere and triumph. Every scar you get serves as a reminder of your tenacity and the challenges you've overcome. These encounters provide a solid basis on which you can confront upcoming difficulties with more grit and resolve. When we look at our scars, we are reminded of the trials we have faced and conquered. They become constant reminders of our ability to overcome adversity. These reminders instill within us a belief in our own strength and fortitude, empowering us to face future challenges with a renewed sense of determination and confidence. Just as each scar tells a story, they also serve as powerful symbols of our growth and resilience. They represent the lessons we have learned, the strength we have gained, and the wisdom we have acquired along our journey. These scars shape us into stronger individuals, capable of navigating life's twists and turns with a steadfast resolve. Number 2, empathy and compassion. Suffering makes you aware of the suffering and difficulties that other people go through. It helps you develop a strong feeling of empathy that enables you to connect with the suffering of other people. Your wounds serve as a point of identification and comprehension, empowering you to extend sincere compassion and assistance to people in need. You develop an understanding of the universality of human struggle via your personal experiences of suffering, strengthening your sense of cohesion and common humanity. When you encounter others who are going through their own suffering, your scars become symbols of empathy and compassion. Your own experiences allow you to offer genuine support, understanding, and comfort. You can extend a listening ear, a comforting presence, and a helping hand because you have walked a similar path. In embracing your scars and the empathy they bring, you contribute to a world that is more compassionate and understanding. You recognize that everyone carries their own burdens and struggles, and you have the power to uplift and support one another. Through empathy and compassion, you can create meaningful connections and provide solace to those who are going through their own hardships. Number 3, personal development and reflection. When you suffer, you frequently have to face your flaws, inadequacies, and limitations. It gives you a chance for introspection and self-reflection, and self-reflection enforces you to consider your priorities, values, and beliefs. You uncover buried reserves of power, fortitude, and knowledge as you work your way through the depths of suffering. Every scar serves as a reminder of the lessons you've learned and the person you've become, and each one becomes a symbol of your own development. As you reflect upon your scars, you recognize the wisdom they hold. They serve as reminders of the lessons learned along your journey. The pain you have endured has provided valuable insights and perspectives, shaping your character and guiding your decisions. Your scars become symbols of the person you have become, serving as reminders of the strength, resilience, and wisdom you have gained through your experiences. My dear friend, as you navigate the path of personal growth and self-reflection, embrace your scars as valuable markers of your journey. Allow them to remind you of the lessons learned and the inner strength you possess. Embrace the growth that comes from the depths of pain, for it has shaped you into the person you are today. trust in your ability to navigate through life's challenges with resilience and wisdom. Number 4, the ability to appreciate joy and beauty. Suffering has a way of making you more conscious of and grateful for the joy, love, and beauty that exist in life. Contrarily, experiencing suffering increases the worth of joy and fulfillment. You learn to appreciate the small pleasures in life and to not take anything for granted. Your wounds serve as a reminder of the transformational power of appreciating beauty, even in the most trying circumstances, and finding joy despite adversity. Number 5, identity and self-discovery. Suffering frequently takes away the flimsy layers of your identity and forces you to face your genuine nature. You learn more about your essential principles, strengths, and shortcomings when faced with hardship. Your wounds take on new meaning as a representation of your transformative quest to learn who you truly are. You may connect your actions and decisions with your real self through this self-exploration process, leading to a more rewarding and purpose-driven life. Number 6, character development. Suffering serves as a testing ground for character. You have to demonstrate integrity, perseverance, and patience. You can develop traits like resiliency, courage, and humility when you are presented with challenging situations. Your scars serve as a tribute to the character you have developed through difficulty, showing the development of your moral character and emotional fortitude. Number 7, flexibility and adaptability. Suffering frequently compels you to change your goals in order to accommodate brand new, unforeseen events. It instills in you the value of accepting change and remaining adaptable in the face of difficulty. You learn how to modify your perspective and approach while navigating through challenging situations, coming up with original answers and alternatives. Your scars represent your ability to overcome obstacles and succeed, showcasing your ingenuity and agility. Number 8, perspective and gratitude. Suffering has a way of changing your viewpoint on life, as do gratitude and perspective. It sharpens your concentration on what genuinely matters and aids in making the distinction between the insignificant and the important. Your scars serve as a constant reminder of the difficulties you have faced and foster a strong sense of gratitude for the lessons you have learned and the progress you have made. You have a fresh appreciation for the blessings in your life and a clearer understanding of what really provides purpose and fulfillment through suffering. Embrace your scars, for they represent the multifaceted aspects of your personal growth and transformation. They embody the journey of self-discovery, character development, adaptability, gratitude, wisdom, and connection. Each scar tells a story of resilience, reminding you of the incredible strength you possess and the transformative power of embracing and learning from suffering. Ultimately, suffering can be seen as a catalyst for personal transformation. While it may be painful and challenging, it provides invaluable opportunities for growth, self-reflection, and the cultivation of essential qualities. Embrace your scars, for they represent the marks of your resilience, empathy, wisdom, and personal evolution, shaping you into the best version of yourself. Remember that while scars may serve as a reminder of the pain you have experienced, they are also a symbol of your fortitude, forbearance, and ability for development. They stand in for the struggles you have overcome and the knowledge you have attained. Accept your scars because they have helped you become the person you are today. A guy who has been formed by his experiences and who has the fortitude to face any challenge that comes his way.